Hey, how's it going? Dr. Shaun here. So today we're just going to go through a standard adjustment. Person has no injuries or anything like that, kind of a maintenance, or he's very active, so we want to make sure his body's functioning in tip-top shape. Okay, all right, here we go. So basically all I'm doing now is I'm kind of scanning through his spine, seeing what areas I want to adjust, and seeing where all the tensions are at. All right, I'm going to have you turn towards me on your side, facing you this way, please. And this one too, like that, there we go. Okay, so roll you to here, a little bump right through here. Okay, and have you turn the other way now, please. Come scoot towards me. Get on your back. You're going to bend this knee for me, please. Just like that. Roll towards me. Spot. Deep breath in. Exhale out. Relaxing as much as you can. One more time. Deep breath in. All the way out. Okay, straighten the leg down, relax the arms. All right, lift your head up. There we go. Coming back down. There we go. All right, bring the head to the right, turn it to the left. Little bob right through here. And relaxing through there again, little bump through there. Come through here. Got tightness in the hip. Alright. Work some of the hip flexors in there. Straighten the leg down. Back up. Straighten back down. Tightness on the upper quads through here. Bend the knee. That's about, there it is. Like this. All right, coming on up. Just have you walk around, move around a little bit. All right, so that's kind of a typical adjustment I do. When I get to the extremities part, that depends on how your body's feeling. Dr. Shaun, HawaiiEliteChiropractic. Remember, you're born loose and die stiff.